Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have one of those guys, you need to find where the horn relay is located, which relay you need to check, where to buy cheap relays and fuses that way don't waste your money, why it's important to test relays and fuses. Stay with us, we'll cover that absolutely free for your convenience today guys. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car guys that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays. That way you don't waste your money. So the horn relay, let's explain where it's located. We will demonstrate on a 2010 Honda Accord right here. Fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes. Luckily for us, we'll work in one of them. And that fuse box is located right under the hood. Open the hood. This is your engine. On the right side of your engine, guys, you have that fuse box here. That's a cover. Open that cover, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Now, before we actually guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now the horn relay guys, which relay we need to check. If you need to see the fuse for the horn guys video, we have it on the channel that will teach you that. The relay, if you come on top, they go in order 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so forth, 7, but that's relay number 1. Relay number 2, that relay number 2 guys, this is for the horn right here. That's the relay that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.